Part 17, exercise 1.6. Sixth question is if the order pair a plus 2, 4 and 5, 2a plus b are equal, then a, b is. So what is the question given here? There is a two order pair and these two order pair are equal. Then we have to find the values for a and b. So how can we find the values? So what is the condition given here? The two order pair are equal. That means the first element in the first order pair is equal to the first element in the second order pair. That is a plus 2 equal to 5. So from this we can find the value of a. So plus 2 is in the left hand side. Whenever it move to the right hand side, it will become a negative 2. So a equal to 5 minus 2. So 5 minus 2 is 3. So we can find the a value as 3. So next we have to find the b value. So now we are going to equate the second element in the first order pair with the second element in the second order pair. That is 2a plus b equal to 4. So already we find the value for a. So the value for a is 3. So here we are going to substitute the value for a. That is 2 into 3 plus b equal to 4. 2 into 3 is 6. 6 plus b equal to 4. So here in LHS plus 6. Whenever it move on to the RHS, it became as a minus 6. So b equal to 4 minus 6. So here the biggest number is 6. The sign for the biggest number 6 is a negative sign. So b equal to minus 2. So which option is correct? The option 4 is the correct. That is 3, minus 2. So next question is let n of a equal to m and n of b equal to n. Then the total number of non-empty relation that can be defined from a to b is. So what is the problem given here? N of a equal to m. So number of element in a set a is an m and n of b equal to n. That means number of element in the set b is n. Then what you have to find? You have to find the total number of relations between set A and set B. So what is the formula for finding the relations? N into A cross B equal to 2 power PQ. So here instead of P we are having the value M and instead of Q we are having the value N. So now we can substitute. So n of a equal to m and n of b equal to n. Then n of a cross b, that is the relation equal to 2 to the power of pq. Instead of p and q we have to substitute m and n. So the answer is 2 power mn. So where it is? It is in the option 4, that is 2 power mn. Next one is question number 8. If set of a, 8, 6, b represent an identity function, then the value of a and b are respectively. So what is the problem given here? There is a two order pair. These two order pair represent an identity function. Then we have to find the value for a and b. So how can we find the value for a and b? So here the condition given here is the identity function. So what is meant by identity function? That any functions having the same set, that is f is the function from a to a, then the order pair can be written as a, b, b. So this function is called as the identity functions. The order pair in the element which are present in the order pair are same. So using this concept we can solve this problem, that is a, 8. So the function which is defined is an identity function, then the order pair have the same element, that is a, 8. So a value is also 8. 6, b, that means these two order in order pair the element which are presented are same. That means b value is also same, that is b value equal to 6. So a value equal to 8 and b value equal to 6. So which options are having this 8, 6? The option first. So the answer is an option first, 8, 6. Next one is question number 9. Let a equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4 and b equal to 4, 8, 9, 10. A function f is the function from a to b given by f equal to 1, 4, 2, 8, 3, 9, 4, 10 is m. So what is the problem given here? Set of A value is given, set of B value is given. The function is defined from A to B. Then F value is given in the order form. So that is 1 comma 4. That means 1 is mapped to 4 and 2 comma 8. 2 is mapped to 8. 3 comma 9 means 3 is mapped to 9. 4 comma 10 means 4 is mapped to 10. Then we have to say the function f is a many to one function or identity function or one to one function or into functions. So we can draw the graph. So 1 is mapped to 4, then 2 is mapped to 8, 3 is mapped to 9 and 4 is mapped to 10. So the distinct element in A are mapped to the distinct element in B. So what is that function? The function is an 1 to 1 function. So the option is a third option. So the function f is the function from A to B is a 1 to 1 function. Next one is an question number 10. If f of x equal to 2x square and g of x equal to 1 by 3x, then f composition g is. So what is the problem given here? F of x value is given, g of x value is given. Then you have to find the f composition g. So how can you write f composition g? F composition g is written as f of g of x. First we have to substitute the value for g of x. So what is the value for g of x? G of x value is 1 by 3x. So that can be written as f of 1 by 3x. So again this is in the format of f of x. Wherever x in f of x you have to substitute 1 by 3x. So instead of x square you have to substitute 1 by 3x whole square. So 2 into 1 by 3x whole square. So within a bracket should be executed first. So 2 into 1 by 3 square value is a 9 and x square. So 1 by 9x square. So the answer is a 2 by 9x square. So where it is presented? It is presented in the option 3. So the answer is an option 3, 2 by 9x square.